Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises durability and performance, the Starfrit The Rock 10-piece non-stick cookware set. If you're tired of pans that scratch easily, stick food like glue, and warp out of shape, then this set might just be your next kitchen savior. First off, let's talk about what you actually get in this 10-piece collection. It's a well-rounded selection for most home cooks. You'll find a 1-quart saucepan, a 2-quart saucepan, and a 3-quart saucepan, all with matching lids. There's also a 6-quart casserole dish, again with its own lid, perfect for larger batches of stews, soups, or pasta. Finally, the set includes an 11-inch deep fry pan with a lid, a versatile piece for frying, sautéing, and even baking small dishes. This collection covers a lot of everyday cooking needs right out of the box. Now, the headline feature of the Rock cookware is its patented Rock.Tec Technology. Starfrit claims this is a unique surface enhancement that gives it 3 times better release performance than standard non-stick cookware. What this means in practical terms is that food is supposed to slide right off the surface with minimal effort, making both cooking and cleaning significantly easier. They also highlight its durability, stating it's 3 times more durable and resistant to scratches and abrasions. This is a big claim, and durability is often the Achilles heel of non-stick cookware, so this is definitely something we'll be looking closely at. Underneath that advanced non-stick surface lies a heavy-gauge forged aluminum base. This is crucial for even cooking. A thick base helps to distribute heat evenly across the entire cooking surface, preventing hot spots that can lead to burnt food in some areas and undercooked food in others. This also contributes to the set's warp-resistant design. Starfrit guarantees that these pans will never warp, meaning they should maintain their flat, even cooking surface over time, even with repeated use and temperature changes. This is a welcome promise, as warped pans are not only frustrating to use but also inefficient on flat stovetops. The versatility of this cookware set is another strong point. It's compatible with a wide range of stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen. So, no matter what kind of stove you have in your kitchen, this set should work perfectly. Furthermore, these pieces are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This expands their utility significantly, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and then transfer it directly to the oven to finish cooking, braising, or keeping warm. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on these features. On the pro side, the extensive 10-piece set offers great value and covers most cooking tasks. The Rock.Tec Technology's promise of superior food release and durability is very appealing, potentially extending the lifespan of your cookware. The even cooking and warp-resistant design, thanks to the forged aluminum base, are essential for consistent results and long-term usability. The wide stovetop compatibility and oven-safe feature add significant versatility to the set. Plus, it's PFOA-free, which is a health consideration for many. The inclusion of a 3-year warranty also provides a good layer of assurance. However, there are a few potential cons to consider. While Rock.Tec promises 3 times better release and durability, the reality in long-term, heavy-duty use can vary. We'll need to see how well it holds up over months and years of cooking. The oven-safe temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is adequate for many tasks but might be limiting for some recipes that require higher oven temperatures. Also, like any non-stick cookware, it's generally recommended to avoid abrasive cleaners or metal utensils to maximize the life of the non-stick coating, even with enhanced durability. In conclusion, the Starfrit The Rock 10-piece non-stick cookware set presents itself as a robust and practical solution for everyday cooking. With its focus on enhanced durability, superior food release, and even heating, it addresses common pain points that many home cooks experience with their cookware. The comprehensive set of pieces and the versatile compatibility make it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. Link in the description.